Ahoy shipmates, how goes it? A little video for you, just a quickie, just to show you these things, some booty stolen from Griffin Beast. Hard. Okay, yeah, so I visited the Griffin Beast towers today, and they were busily making these new miniatures from Ragnarok, and they are the woodwoses. And so, being a pirate as I am, I thought I better snaffle some back to Pirate Island to show you guys. Now, these are all on pre-release at the moment. I think they're being released Monday, so you can pre-order them. Also, I should be having some with me at Attack in Devices on the 21st, around there somewhere. At the Attack Devices Wargame Show. Hey, enough of the banter. Let's show you what we've got. Right, let's start with the boss man himself. This is the woodwose warlord. Front. Oh, so I've just changed camera, and it's my new one, so the focus is jumping around, so you have to apologise. I'll keep my hand in the background, hopefully keep the focus on him. And that's his shield. Obviously I've not stuck him on yet, so I've not painted him. Let's check him down there. Nice. And this is my favourite one at the moment, which is the shaman, who's going to shot put the goblin head. It's in a bit of a Usain Bolt moment. I like that. Like there's some miniatures going on. That's the shaman, witch doctor, whatever you want to call him. Next are the half guard, which are these guys here. Half guard with blowpipes, because why not? That's number one. I don't like the way this focus is jumping around. Sorry guys, I'll have to change that. Let's keep my hand there so it doesn't do it. Sorry about staring at my big fat hand. I will find the settings. These are good old chunky woses, these ones. And last but not least, he's on a bit of a reload, this one. I thought he was scratching himself at first because I didn't see his pouch. I saw it from that angle. But yeah, he's obviously getting a nice poisoned tree frog dart out. So there we have it. Shall we have a quick look again? So there's Mr. Bossman and his shield. Out focus, there we go. Damn you, autofocus. So tomorrow, I'll be doing my paint along tomorrow. I'll probably prep all these up. It's only a case of getting the skin tones down really, because they're pretty knackered. Again, you can order them today. Order them now. And they'll go on to pre-order. You can use them for your Saga Age of Magic. Is it wood? You know the ones. From Ragnarok. There we go. Enough said. Last one. Okay, and if you want to see me paint some, jump on tomorrow on board about 7:30, and we'll see what we can do. I might even start at 7 because there's an extra one. We shall see. Anyway, I'm going to leave that there because I didn't want it to be a long one. I just wanted to show you what we snaffled from Beast Towers. Thank you for joining me, and see you tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, comment. Why not? Cheers then.